In today's video, I'm going to show you how to message a florist. Go into your farmer dashboard and click on messages. There's two ways you can have a message. One can be within a specific order conversation. So once an order has been approved, then you go into messages, click that order, and go back and forth. Also, when you're in the orders tab, you can message directly from that order, or you can directly message a florist. So you can filter by whatever florist that you are attached to, click on them, let them know, hey, I saw that there's this order, we won't have this, whatever it might be, however you need to directly message. And that florist will get a bump in their email notification saying, hey, here's a message that was sent, test, and then, I just got inventory updated or whatever it might be, and just keeping the conversation within the platform rather than going into text messages, sending it other ways. They'll just get a notification that, hey, there is a message within the platform, but now it's all in one place. And again, the best part is that you can go under orders and then keep it consistent there. So that's how you send a message within the platform. And hopefully this is helpful.